I'm so tired. It's so hot. Like any small walk you will do, you just be so tired because it's so hot out there. So guys, I made keto ice cream. Look at that. It's so delicious. There's nothing can help but the taste.
To lead his audience into the scene he described by creating an imaginary picture. Usually it's something that moves.
Where have I been since? Hi guys, good morning. Hey guys, this is first day or first time in a long time I didn't go out with jacket. I'm just wearing my shorts. Will I call it t-shirt or polo? But you guys, how are you all doing? It's a very beautiful sunny Monday, and yes, you guys, we're officially in spring, but that does not mean that it's not cold. I'm out here with my jacket, you guys. But you guys, I just hop inside the car, and I just want to take you guys along. I want to branch at the store, and you know, just the life of a vlogger. Let me just take you guys out because this my body doesn't want to stay in the house today, especially today that I'm fasting. I'm fasting almost every day, and today I don't want to be tempted with food. Even though I used to tell you guys that I'm fasting 20 hours, it's not easy. I'm waking him just space, just 2 minutes. Can wake up. Getting your basic. It's not easy fasting. So if I don't have a lot to do at home, I'll just hop inside the car, go out, do window shopping, you know. Before you know it, my 20 hours will be over. I will eat because I want to be consistent. I want to stick to it. So yeah, you guys, follow me. If you're new to my channel, welcome. How are you guys doing? Honestly asking, how are you doing? Whenever I ask this question, just know that it's from my heart. I want to know how you guys are doing. I'm doing okay, and I'm so happy that I made it to a new day. Today is Monday. Like, it's not easy. A lot of people didn't wake up today, but I'm just so thankful to God that I am among those people that He counts worthy to show mercy. In fact, God is so good. You guys, let me take you guys along. I want to go to the store and, you know, check out some certain things for my cooking, for my recipe. I want to. There's this place, or there's this cookware I usually see at store, and I want to see if I can buy it. I want to change my cookware that I used to make recipe. So you guys, let's go out, okay? So guys, it's so hot outside here, and yeah, it's so hot. I'm right here at Home Goods to see what they have inside. It's a new store that just opened, I think a few months ago. So let me check it out and see what they have. See if I can get the cookware that I'm looking for. So you guys, let's go. Like this. Exactly like this. So this is it. Yeah, so this is it. This one, I don't like the blue color. I prefer black. And I think I'm gonna go with the other one. They have a lot of nice ones. So you choose the one I want. Yes, baby. So let me take you guys on this beautiful. Here it says a mirror and wall decor. They have a whole lot of beautiful wall decor. Yeah, this one's lovely artwork. Yeah, I have mirror. That's it. So they have this mirror. They have a mirror. And one thing I like about this here today is that a lot of things here on sale. You see this mirror is sold for $89, but now it's $49, like times 2 for that. So get this one, this mirror from here to toe. This one. This girl doesn't want me to do this vlog, but anyway, I will be leaving. Let's go and check out. Look at that. Look at that. That one is strawberry, and this is orange. It's so cute. Look at this. It looks like strawberry. And this one is watermelon, and this one is orange. Look at that, it's so nice. So good. Okay, baby girl, let's go. You're done from here. Let's go. Oh, I'm done from Home Goods. Show you guys what I got. So hot. Where did I park? I've seen where I park. So yeah, I'm done from Home Goods. Let's get to the car and then go to do some few groceries. Not really a lot, just 1 or 2 things that I need to close my my intermittent fasting. All this thing that I'm doing, I'm using to buy time because I have like 20 hours of fasting. So I'm buying time outside here because if I stay in the house, I'll be hungry. I'll be opening the fridge, the pantry to get something to eat, but let me get into the car. I'll talk to you guys. So I just left Home Goods and we just came to Walmart right now. Me and my baby. Is it my hand carry? Hey baby. You know, we have just ate us a biscuit. But guys, let's go. This one. I don't know if I should go with this one. This one. Because the color of our couch is this. I think I'll go with it. Can you just give me space? A little bit. Just a little. Just like this. Just like this. So this is 60 eggs and it's been sold for $34.50. Last time I bought it for $39. Yeah, $38 to $39. So the price of the egg is gradually coming down and hey you guys, I'm so tired. It's so hot. Like any small work you will do, you just be so tired because it's so hot out there. Just today it's so hot. A few days ago we went from winter to spring and it's like this. What if we get to summer? How is the weather gonna be? Are we gonna survive this? I strongly believe we're going to survive it. So you guys, I'm done from the store. I went to 3 different stores. So let's go back home because very soon, hey, close to my ending my fast, you guys. Let's go home. So guys, I'm trying not to shout because Ezichi is sleeping. But you guys, I am back. I hope you can hear me, please. I am back from the store. I just finished arranging things, cut my papaya, which is pawpaw. I ended my 20 hours of fasting, so I'm gonna be breaking it with papaya first. Then after that, I'll eat my main meal. So you guys, this is my papaya. This is it. I have to use this plate before I use it to make recipe. But you guys, this is it. It is so sweet, and yeah, it's so sweet, and that's what I need right now. Papaya. I wanted to start with protein, but nah, I'm so hungry. I decided to start with what I have right now. But you guys, yeah, let me quickly eat, and then because I have to go out and pick up David from school, so let me eat. Yes. Alexa, stop. So guys, take a look at my food. My plate is well garnished. I have my egg, I have fried plantain, I have my strawberry and cucumber. This is what I'm eating to break my 20 hours of intermittent fasting. If you have to lose weight, if you must lose weight, you must eat right and move your body. Take a look at this. This is my new plate that I got for my recipe. I said to myself, let me first use it to eat before I will serve it to the people of the internet. But you guys, look at that. It's so colorful. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section. So guys, look at my food. It's ready, you guys. I am ready to break my fast after 20 hours of fasting. The time is, what's the time? The time is 1:45 p.m. I'll be leaving by 2 to go and pick up my son, David. And this is my first meal of the day. I started fasting, I think around 5:30 p.m. and this is 1:45. My fasting ended 15 minutes ago. So this is what I made for myself. I didn't eat the papaya again. I just put it in the fridge because I want it to be chilled before I eat it. Ezichi is awake. Yeah, she's over there. She's awake. I left her in the car seat because I'll be leaving right now. So you guys, it's so good. I'm loving this intermittent fasting. Someone was requesting about detailed video. You guys, don't worry. I have it in mind, but it's because I can't do a sit-down video with Ezichi. It's hard. It's hard, but I'll make out time to do it, okay? So yeah, but for the meantime, enjoy it. Fast and drink water. Yes, baby. Talk to you guys later. So guys, I made keto ice cream. Look at that. I will share with you guys the full video of how I made this. It's so delicious. There's no sugar in it, but it tasted so good. If you want to see that, comment down below. Comment though. I've already made the video. Just comment so I will drop it. But you guys, I'm still enjoying my food. Where have I been since? I like ice cream, but ice cream has a lot of sugar, and because I'm on a healthy lifestyle, so I'm making this alternative. It's so good. Let me show you guys.